All right, so I'm gonna share my whiteboard with you. So you gotta stop your sharing and I'll share mine, okay?
Mhm.
Very good. So there it is. Let me change my color. Okay, so this basically is about slopes. I'm using my mouse to write, not a pen. It was very hard in the beginning, but I learned to basically write with the mouse.
While we've been home.
Doesn't look bad, right?
No, it looks good.
I'm literally using my mouse. I'm not using a pen. Slow some lines. Let's see. By the way, I posted my videos on YouTube if you want to watch them.
I know, but
There's a lot of actually there's a lot of stuff like this in math too. We do a lot of lines. I'll show you the videos. You're gonna like them. Let me go over this with you, and then I'll send you that link. You will see a lot of these lines, slopes, and graphing. So the entire class online like this, interactive. I'm talking to a lot of people and they're asking questions and stuff like that.
oh, I didn't see that.
I'll show you that, and you can share that with your friends and stuff if they like it. So write an equation of a line going through the point. So the line is going through this point, P, 50 and 22, and the slope M is negative 70. Write the equation, write the answer in slope-intercept form. Use the formula. So we need to write this in slope-intercept form, which is this. Okay, this is what we call slope-intercept form because this is a slope, M is a slope, and B is the intercept. This is what we call the Y-intercept form. The name is also Y-intercept form. Okay, that's the given information, okay? Now we're gonna start, they gave us the formula to use. For one, they said use this formula, Y minus Y1 equals M X minus 1. And so what we're gonna do is, we're gonna take whatever they gave us and we're gonna plug it into this. So Ashley, try to understand at the same time, okay? I'll send you this picture or I'll send you the whole video if you want.
That'll be great.
Okay?
I see you recording.
So try to understand it, yeah. Or once we're done, I'll let you take a picture of this. Or I will send you this picture, okay? So
Okay.
here's what you do. So basically, we need Y1 and we need X1. These we can have from here. So the point is given, so we're gonna call this point X1 and Y1, okay? And the slope is also given, okay? So the slope is here. So all we have to do is plug these into the equation. We're gonna plug X1 and Y1 and the M. So this one, we don't have to substitute. This Y stays the same. Minus, what is Y1?
22.
Exactly. And M is?
50.
The M
Oh,
is?
the minus 17.
That's right, negative 17. This X stays, you don't substitute it. And minus X1, which is?
22.
X1.
Oh, 50.
50, that's right. That's it, that's the equation for the first question. We just need to simplify it a little bit to make it look like this.
So I just have to plug it in?
That's it, all you have to do is plug it in. So based on what you have, so we have a point and slope.
All right, ask Rosemary, does she feel like cooking? Bye, I'm doing homework.
So he gave you the formula. So we're gonna say, so we're gonna try to get the Y by itself, just like this. So the y is not by itself. We need to cancel this number. But before that, let's distribute this. We're going to distribute the negative 17. And then we're going to cancel the negative 24 here. So for now.
But don't we have to distribute it too from like negative 17 to negative 50?
That's right. So it'll be negative 17x. Then negative times negative will be positive. What's 17 times 50? Can you do that quickly for me?
17 times 50?
You have a calculator near you?
Yeah, my phone is
Okay, get the calculator ready. I'll do it now, but get it ready just in case. All right, so what do you do now to get the y by itself?
Okay, do I have to do like positive 22 plus positive?
Exactly.
Okay.
We're going to do that under the number, not under the x. We're going to do this under the number. So y is negative 17x. And we're going to add these two. That's 877. That's it. Now this looks in what we call the slope-intercept form.
Oh.
Okay, in this form. We call slope-intercept because it gives you the slope, m, it gives you the b. This is our slope, and this is the b. Okay, so this is m, and this is b, or y-intercept. This we call the y-intercept. Okay, that answers the first question. So basically plug and simplify.
So it looks like that, but
it looks like this form, right?
Right.
Missing a plus here. Let me see. Missing a plus.
Oh.
Plus b, plus b. So this is b. This is the m negative 17, which was given. We didn't have to find it. It was here.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's do number 2. It says write the equation of a line, slope, line, and y-intercept b. This next one is very simple also. It says write the equation. So the slope. So we have the slope. Look at your equation at the same time. Look at your problem. Are you looking at your page, the problem you gave me?
No, I'm okay. Let me see.
Okay, look at number 2. So the slope is m is given equals 3. What else is given?
I can't move it.
We'll try to reduce the screen down and then bring it up.
Oh my god, I can't. Okay, wait. Let me see. I can't move it. It went back to full screen. Oh, funny.
Got it?
No.
Let's see here.
I can't move it. Oh, I'm on mute. Okay. All right, I got it.
So look at number 2.
Okay, number 2 is y equals mx. No, y equals mx plus b.
That's right.
But the slope is 3.
Is 3. Y is 9. So what do you think we do with these two to complete the equation? So the slope goes here.
Right, but y
Goes here. So this is b or y-intercept, as I showed you here. Okay, so this is either b. It's called y or y-intercept. So I'll have to substitute these and it will be done. So I'm going to do. So y will be m, which is 3, plus 9.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. The equation is done. So just substitute. It will give you the information, give you the equation. Just substitute and simplify. Let's go over to number 3.
But why do We can't solve that? Like, we can't, like, put it big,
No,
I mean,
that's it. That's it. Once you have it in this form, you see, that's the Y-MX form or the slope-intercept form. That's it. That's the formula you want to get. Once you have the Y.
okay. Okay, so if we had, like, something like y minus 22, like the
Right,
first
right.
one, then we
Yeah.
would have to do all that.
That's right. If you had something that doesn't look exactly like this or like this, you'll have to simplify it a little bit. We don't have parentheses. We don't have a number here to move. So this was an easy one. Just plugged M and B and it was done. All right. Look at number 3. Read it out.
Find the slope for the line between -3, 2, and 1/1. Well, not 1/1.
This one we need to find slope. What's the formula for slope?
Go ask Auntie Carla. I'm doing work. All right, I'm coming.
So find slope. We need to find slope. We have 2 points. So what do you think we need? We need the slope formula. What is the slope formula?
It's y equals m plus b.
This is the slope intercept. We have one for m. It's something minus something over something minus something. Do you remember what that
is? It -3/2?
No. If you look at the question number 5, you see that formula m?
Question number 5.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I remember. Okay. Is the x's okay? So it would be -3 over 1.
So y2 is, first you gotta label these. You're gonna call them x1, y1, x2, y2.
Right. I thought it was x1 then x2 first.
No, it's right there. It's y2x. Now here you gotta do. Actually, it doesn't matter which way you do it. You can do. So that's x1, y1. This is x2, y2. Or you can label the first one x2, y2, y2. It doesn't matter. So let's read that from. After you label them, just use the same order as. What is y2 from here? Y2.
So you do 1
minus
-2.
That's right. Over
-3.
No, x2. I'm gonna start from x2 this time.
Oh,
1
over -3.
That's right. 1 minus. You can do it this way. This minus this. This minus this. Or you can do it the other way. This minus this. This minus this. But you have to do both in the same direction. If you decide to start from here, you have to do both. Either way, the result will be the same. So it will be -1 over 4, right? 1 plus.
5. Oh.
It will be 1 plus 3 is 4. So that's the
1 plus 2. No, 1 minus 2 is -1. And that's multiplication.
This is minus and minus. You turn that into a plus first.
Positive.
So 1 plus 3.
3 is 4.
So that's the first. That's basically it. Find the m. That's it. Find the slope.
Then why does it seem so hard to me?
It is not that hard. Maybe if you spent a lot of time explaining it, it wouldn't look so difficult.
It wouldn't look crazy, right?
Yeah,
and this is what I had a problem with.
Yeah, it doesn't take that much, as you can see, Okay, so number 5. Look at number 5. Read it out for me. Before we get disconnected, we have about 15 minutes. We're going to try to do all these. So
find the slope of the line passing through the points 10, -7, and 39, -15.
So that's
Use
similar,
the slope.
right? That's the same thing. I'll let you do this one later, okay?
Okay.
It's the same exact formula. Let me write the points down for you here. So -10 and 39 minus 15. So we gotta use this formula here.
Look at number 7. I don't know if you can see it.
Okay. Let me change my color. Write the equation of the formula. Graph the linear equation. Number 7. So 6 minus 7. So graph the linear equation. All right. So there's plenty of these in my videos that I'm going to send you, but I'll show you how to do it. So basically, this is a linear equation. In what form is it?
Is that the slope and intersect?
Exactly. So this is okay. The slope and intercept. What is the slope here?
3/4.
3/4. Very good. So m is 3/4. What's another another way? The slope is made of what? Something over something. Do you know those two words?
Fraction.
Fraction, and we have a name for this number and a name for this one.
Numerator, denominator?
Or, in this case, with the lines, we call it rise over.
I didn't know that.
Rise over run.
Rise
So
over run.
Right or run. I'll explain why we call them that. So it's very easy to graph an equation when it's in this form. So you're gonna need a graph first. Let me make a graph real quick. Okay, you're gonna need a two-dimensional graph. So this will be the x-axis. Here's the y-axis. So you gotta put some numbers here, positive numbers here, and some positives on this side. Positive numbers here, negatives here, and negatives down here. There is a reason we call this rise over run. Here's what you do. When the equation is in this form, first you go to this one. You find, what do we call this again? B, or the y-intercept. It's called the y-intercept because it's on the y-axis. Where do you find -2 on this axis?
It's right. Okay, it's on the bottom.
Right, -2 here. So you locate that. That's the first point of the line. We just need to go to the other one and we're done. To go to the other one, here's what you do. Look at this slope, rise on run. We're gonna rise 3, okay? And then we're gonna go to the right. That's why it's called the run. We're gonna rise 3.
Oh.
Okay. Look at the graph. 1, 2, 3 units. And then where do you go from here?
To the positive, the x?
That's right, to the right. How many units?
4.
4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right here across from 4. That's it. Those are the line, the points. Then we're gonna graph them. So
But do we have to? We started from -2, but it was like +3. So do we start with -2 or do we go?
Always start from the -2 or the positive if it's positive. Always start from this B, the the intercept, the y-intercept. Always start from that on this axis. So let me grab straight line, and that's your line. Using rise and run. Okay, that's number 7.
That's not bad.
No, that's not too bad. Graph. The next one is the exact same thing, but we need to do one little detail. I'll give you the hint, and I'll let you practice it later. So we have 8. Number 8. Same thing, we need to graph this line. So y plus 2 is 9/5.
No, it says y equals 2. Oh, it says y plus 2? Oh, what oh.
So
y plus 2.
That's right, so graph. Is this one in this form yet? Does it look like the y-mx form?
Yes.
Are you sure? Does it look exactly like this with y?
Oh no, but the x on the bottom, and the x in the back. I mean, yeah.
Right. So the y is not by itself here. So what do you do to get the y by itself again?
You have to, oh, well, to get the y by itself?
Mm-hmm. So we want it to look like this. So what do you do to that?
Do I divide it?
No, you want to get rid of the positive 2. How do you get rid of that positive 2?
Oh, the negative 2.
Negative 2. So once, so it will be y equals negative
3u.
5 over x minus 2. Is it in slope-intercept form now?
Yes.
Yes, so now we can use the same thing we just did. It looks like this. So what do we call again? What is m?
M is 9 over 5.
Exactly. What's the other name for that?
Slope.
The slope. What do we call these numbers? 9 and 5?
The rise over run.
That's right. Rise over run. So if you want to graph this, same way we just did. Let's use the same graph since it's already here. Okay, tell me now how to graph this line. Where do you start from?
You start from negative 2.
Okay, same as before, right?
Mm-hmm.
Usually you would use a different graph, but since we have this one already, that's the first point. And then, let me use a different color actually. Maybe this one. Okay, so this first point, and then what do you do from here?
You go up 9.
Exactly. You need 9 points. Let's see if we have enough. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So what number
And
would
then
that be?
you
So
go.
this would not be 9 itself, but we're going to count from 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, so you're going to go up all the way to 9. And then where do you go after that?
Go across 5 times.
Cross 5 times. That's right. 5 is here. So start from the y-intercept, negative 2, go up 9 units, and go to the right 5 units. So all the way 9 units, then to the right, across from 5, across from here. So that's the second point. What do you do now? You just join the 2 points. Let me grab a straight line. Okay. Imelda, I will be with you in a few minutes. Just let me just finish this, and we're gonna get disconnected in a few minutes. I'll start a new meeting with you. Okay.
Okay.
Right. So that's how it's done, Ashley. So that's 8. Okay. So the line here, this one.
Thank you.
No problem. So the line here, this one was, which one was it? The first one. So this one is the green line. Right? It's, I mean, the blue line. And the one we did earlier, this one was the green one. Usually you would use separate graphs, but we use the same graph. Okay, let me see. We skipped one question, number 6, which is similar to the other ones, but I'll give you the idea and I'll let you plug the numbers in it, okay? Number 7.
Yes.
Number 6, actually. Look at number 6.
Me?
Yeah, what does it say?
Write the equation line through the point 15, 27, 33, 45, and point slope form y minus y1 equals m x minus x1.
Right, so the formula is given. So this one, y, let me go back here. So y minus y1. We used this earlier, so we're going to do the same thing as the thing we did earlier. So we did it on the side here. So m. So we don't have m. We need to find it using the points. So find m. Okay, using the slope formula. Y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. So you want to find that first. Once you have the m, you're going to plug it here, okay? The m will be plugged here. plugged into the M. Then you'll substitute x1 and y1. Also plug so we have 2 points. We're going to use one of them to plug into the equation. We're going to use the first one, 15, 27. So this will be x1 and y1. So this will be similar to what we did earlier. See actually what we did here earlier? Just like this. Similar, after you find the slope. Okay, here, luckily we had the slope. We just plugged it, the first one. But this one, for 6, we don't have the slope, but we can find it easily.
Right.
Using the formula and using the points. You have this point, and you have the other one. What's the other point? 33 and
33 and 45.
45. That's right. So we're going to use these to find the slope. So this one into this, both here. Once you find the slope, you got to put the slope here. Substitute y1 and x1, which are here, and simplify just like we did here. Okay, and that will be it. That's the entire thing is done.
So it'll be 45. First, I will start off with x2, which is 45, minus 27 over.
That's right.
Over 15 minus 33.
All right.
So 45 minus 27 is 18. Oh wait, 17 take away 5. I don't know why I'm dumb today. 17, 18, 19, 20. No, is it? Wait. I'm bugging.
So you find it the same way we did. You see with the 3? That's the formula, okay? Just
Right.
do the same thing and plug them. Okay, so here's the link to, you'll see a bunch of these on my channel. Okay, let me share my thing with you.
Can you send me the link and email it to me?
Sure, okay, I'll email right now. So watch all that stuff. A lot of this, I do a lot of this with my Math 2 classes. I'll email it to you right now. Here it is in the chat, and I'll email it to you as well.
Thank you.
So this takes you to Math 2, to a playlist. I have another playlist for college algebra, but you probably need that as well, right? You do a lot of similar stuff of what we did with college algebra, right?
Yeah, this.
Okay. So basically, so you can take advantage of both.
That's why, yeah. Some of the stuff I still have my book from your class. So
take advantage of both playlists, both college algebra and Math. What is your email here? So we could do. Okay, so Ashley Sally, inbox, there you go. And gonna get disconnected soon. Here it is. You may find this video itself. I'll upload it when I get a chance. Okay, sent.
Got it.
All right. Okay, so work on your stuff and
Thanks, Professor.
watch the videos. You'll find a lot of resources there.
Can you send me the video?
I did. This one?
Yes.
Okay, I'll try to edit it as soon as possible and post it to the channel. You'll find it there. I'll send you the link too. I'll send you the link once it's
Thank you. You are a lifesaver.
No problem, because I have a bunch of other videos that I have to put up, have to edit. But I'll try to put this up as soon as possible.
Okay.
You can share that with your classmates as well.
Right, exactly.
All right. Very good. So that's about it.
Thank you.
Good,
You
just
keep
connected.
safe.
No problem. Stay safe and just.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep in touch. I'm gonna need you.
All right. All right. No problem. So I'll have to just kind of get disconnected now, and I'll invite Imelda.
Yes.
I'll reopen again. Okay.
Okay.
All right. All right,
Thanks.
Ashley. Take care. Stay
Okay.
safe. All right.